Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of flip phones, a blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. Unlike their predecessors, today's flip phones aren't just about the basics of calls and texting. They bring the endurance of battery life that lasts for days, not just hours, and come in a compact, durable package that won't break the bank. Perfect for those who prioritize traditional voice calls and want a phone that fits comfortably in their pocket. But wait, there's more. For those who crave the compactness of a flip phone combined with the high-tech features of a smartphone, the industry has exciting offerings. Enter the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Motorola Razr Plus. These devices are redefining the flip phone experience. They marry the classic flip design with stunning touchscreens and the full power of Android. Whether you're after a budget-friendly, call-centric device or a sophisticated, feature-rich powerhouse, the latest flip phones cater to every need. Over the past 3 months, we've rigorously tested over 15 phones to bring you nothing but the best. And the result? We've narrowed it down to the top 5, each a champion in its own right, balancing performance, style, and affordability. For an in-depth analysis and a comparison tool, visit our website at www.crediblepic.com. Number 5. Alcatel Go Flip 3. A modern flip phone that promises simplicity and functionality. Let's flip open the details. First up, the build quality. The Go Flip 3 brings back the satisfying flip action we all loved. It's compact, sturdy, and perfect for one-handed use. The plastic body feels durable and it can definitely survive a few drops. Its small form factor is a breath of fresh air in the era of large smartphones. Opening it up, you're greeted with a 2.8-inch main display. It's bright and clear, perfect for texts and calls. The interface is intuitive, with large icons and straightforward menus. There's also an external screen that shows notifications and caller ID, which is super handy. Under the hood, it's powered by a Qualcomm 210 processor with 4G LTE capabilities. No, it won't compete with smartphones, but it's not trying to. The Go Flip 3 is all about essentials: calls, text, and basic web browsing. Plus, it has Google Assistant, which is a nice modern touch. Let's talk battery life. This phone shines here. It lasts for days on a single charge, a stark contrast to smartphones that barely last a day. It's perfect for those who are tired of constantly reaching for the charger. The camera is modest, a 2-megapixel shooter. It's not for your Instagram posts, but it's adequate for quick snaps. Number 4. LG Classic Flip Phone. Starting with its design, the LG Classic Flip has that iconic flip phone look. It's compact, fitting comfortably in your palm or pocket. The build quality feels solid and the flipping mechanism is satisfyingly smooth. Opening it up reveals a 2.8-inch main screen. It's not a smartphone display, but it's clear and bright, making texts and calls easily visible. The user interface is refreshingly simple. Big icons and straightforward menus, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for those who find smartphones overwhelming. Performance-wise, the LG Classic is built for basic tasks. It's equipped with a processor that's adequate for calls, texts, and some light web browsing. The phone runs on a simple, custom OS designed for ease of use. The battery life on this flip phone is a standout feature. You can easily get several days of use on a single charge, a far cry from the daily charging routine of most smartphones. The camera is basic, a 2-megapixel shooter, but it's good enough for capturing those quick everyday moments. For multimedia, there's an FM radio and a music player, bringing a bit of entertainment to this simple device. Number 3. Kyocera Jura XE Epic. Meet the Kyocera Jura XE Epic, a rugged flip phone built to withstand the toughest environments. Let's delve into what makes this phone not just durable, but epic. Right off the bat, the Jura XE Epic impresses with its robust design. This phone is built like a tank. It means military standards for dust, shock, vibration, temperature extremes, and water immersion. The textured body ensures a firm grip, and the large tactile buttons are a boon, especially if you're wearing gloves. Flipping it open, we find a 2.6-inch main display, which is surprisingly good for a rugged phone. It's bright and easily readable under direct sunlight. The interface is straightforward with large icons and simple menus, making it incredibly user-friendly. Underneath its rugged exterior, the Jura XE Epic is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, offering smooth performance for all its basic functions. It runs on a proprietary OS, focusing on core functionalities like calling, texting, and basic web browsing. Unique for a flip phone, it supports 4G LTE and has a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot feature. One of the phone's standout features is its battery life. The large capacity battery provides long-lasting power, easily getting you through several days on a single charge, even with heavy use. The camera is a modest 5 megapixels, but it's quite capable for quick snapshots in various conditions. The sound quality is another highlight. With loud, clear speakers and noise cancellation, this phone is perfect for making calls in noisy environments. It's ideal for construction workers, outdoor adventurers, or anyone who wants a phone that can take a beating and keep on ticking. Number 2. Motorola Razr Plus. A modern twist on the iconic Razr. Let's unfold the features of this sleek flip phone and see if it lives up to its legendary name. The Razr Plus immediately catches your eye with its sleek design. It's a beautiful blend of nostalgia and modernity. The phone is slim with a premium feel, and flipping it open and closed never gets old. Opening the Razr Plus reveals its stunning main display. The flexible OLED screen is bright and vibrant, providing a great viewing experience. Motorola has done a great job with the user interface. It's clean, intuitive, and runs smoothly, thanks to the refined software. Performance-wise, the Razr Plus is equipped to handle everyday tasks with ease. It's not just about looks, this phone packs a decent processor, ensuring that apps and web browsing are smooth and responsive. While the battery life isn't groundbreaking, it's sufficient for daily use. The camera system, featuring both rear and front-facing cameras, takes respectable photos. One of the unique features of the Razr Plus is its external display. It's not just for show, you can reply to messages, control music, and even use it as a viewfinder for selfies using the main camera. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This isn't just any flip phone, it's a futuristic gadget that's bending the rules of conventional smartphones. Let's unfold the story of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Firstly, the design of the Z Flip 5 is nothing short of spectacular. Samsung has really pushed the boundaries, creating a phone that flips open to reveal a stunning full-size screen. Closed, it's a compact and stylish device that fits comfortably in your pocket. The build quality is premium, with a solid hinge mechanism that feels robust and reliable. Unfolding the Z Flip 5, you're greeted with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display that's bright, vibrant, and offers stunning color reproduction. The folding mechanism is seamless, with hardly any noticeable crease. The user experience is enhanced by the unique form factor, offering new ways to interact with apps and content. In terms of performance, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a powerhouse. Equipped with a top-notch processor, it handles everything from heavy multitasking to high-end gaming with ease. The phone runs on the latest version of Samsung's One UI, which is optimized for the foldable experience, offering smooth and intuitive navigation. The camera setup is impressive, featuring a dual-lens rear camera that captures stunning photos and videos. The front camera, hidden neatly in the display, is perfect for selfies and video calls. The Flex mode, unique to Samsung's foldables, allows for some creative photography and videography angles. Despite its compact size, the Z Flip 5 manages to pack a decent battery life. It easily lasts a full day with moderate usage, and Samsung's fast-charging technology means you won't be tethered to a charger for long. One of the coolest aspects of the Z Flip 5 is its external small display. It shows notifications, time, and even allows for basic interactions without having to open the phone. This feature adds a layer of convenience that's both practical and stylish. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is perfect for those who love to be at the forefront of technology and design. It's a device that makes a statement, combining cutting-edge technology with a form factor that's both nostalgic and futuristic. Share in the comments which phone is perfect for you and the reasons. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was of help, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content, subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next video.